everybody. We have Mr. Jabate Adama, your teacher of English. Today I have another topic, and this topic is about a series STE, and the text is modern mining. So you want to try to answer the different questions about this text. But we can never answer or to find the best answer about the text without the reading. And now I want to read the text for everybody. The text is modern mining. Modern mining is an industry that involves the exploration for a removal of mineral from the earth, economically and with minimum damage of environment. Mining is important because minerals are major source of energy as well as material that is fertilizer and steel. Mining is necessary for nations to have adequate and dependable supplies of minerals and materials to meet their economic and defined needs at acceptable environmental, energy, and economic costs. Some of the non-fuel mineral mine needs, that is stone, which is a non-metallic or industrial mineral, can be used directly from the earth. Metallic minerals, which are also non-fuel minerals, conversely, are usually combined in nature with other materials as ores. These ores must be treated generally with chemical or heat to produce the material of interest. Mostly more, or for example, is converted to aluminum oxide, which is used to make aluminum metal via heat and additive. Fuel minerals, that is coal and uranium, must also be processed using chemical and other treatments to produce the quality of fuel desired. There are significant differences in the mining technique and environmental effects of mining, metallic, industrial, and fuel minerals. The discussion here will mostly concentrate on metallic minerals. Mining is a global industry, and not every country has high-grade, large, exceptionally profitable minerals deposits and the transportation infrastructure to get the mined products to market economically. Some of the factors affecting global mining are environmental regulation, fuel costs, labor costs, access to land believed to contain valuable ores, diminishing ores grades, requiring the mining of more. That is about the reading. And now, this text of the questions is divided in two parts. The first part is big one, and big one is comprehension question. Comprehension questions also is divided in some parts. The first part is big A, multiple choice questions. Write the complete sentence containing the best answer. Number 1. Modern mining consists in mineral from the earth. We have here 4 possibilities. Exploring A, removing B, exploring and removing C, damaging D. And here you are obliged to select or to choose the best answer in order to complete sentence. And if you try to see here, the best answer is number C. We say modern mining consists in exploring and removing minerals from the earth. So the best answer is number C, exploring and removing. And number 2, bauxite ore is covered to aluminum metal, number A, aluminum oxide, number B, uranium, number C, chemicals, number D. And here the best answer is bauxite ore is converted to aluminum oxide. So the best answer is aluminum oxide, number B. And here we answered the 2 questions, 1 and B. And after that we have a big B. True or false question. Copy down the true sentences and correct the false one. Mining helps a country only in equipping its army. Number 2, stone is a non-fuel mineral. Number 3, the techniques are the same in mining metallic, industrial, and fuel mineral. And number 4, all the countries of the world have high-grade large mineral deposits. And now, if you try to see here, number 1, we say mining helps a country only in equipping its army. That is false. If it is false, you try to see in the text. Example here, mining helps a country in equipping its army and developing its economy. We have 2 answers here. Mining helps a country in equipping its army and developing its economy. Or if you want, there is another manner to answer about this part. We can say mining does not help a country only in equipping its army. If you are able to correct in the text, you correct in the text. But if you are not able to find the best parts in the text in order to correct, you put the affirmative sentences in the negative sentences, or in the negative sentences into the affirmative sentences. That's why we say here, mining does not help a country only in equipping its army. That is okay. And number 2, stone is a non-fuel mineral. That is true. If it is true, you copy down. You don't need to change to add something also. So, and number 3, the techniques are the same in mining metallic, industrial, and fuel mineral. That is not true. The correction is, the techniques are not the same in mining metallic, industrial, and fuel minerals. The first possibility to answer about this part or to correct. The second possibility is, the techniques are different in mining metallic, industrial, and fuel mineral. That is about number 3. And number 4, the last part about true or false question, we say all the countries of the world have high-grade large mineral deposits. That is not true. All the countries of the world do not have high-grade large mineral deposits. Or another possibility, some countries of the world have high-grade large mineral deposits. That is all about true or false. And now the next is big C. Answer the following question based on the text. So the 2 questions here, you are obliged to answer based in the text. The first is, what is the use of chemical and aids in mining? Number 2, name 4 difficulties facing global mining. First is the use of chemical and heat in mining is to produce the metal of interest. I repeat, the use of chemicals and heat in mining is to produce the metal of interest. Is the answer about number 1. And number 2, the 4 difficulties faced by global mining are environmental regulation, fuel costs, labor costs, access to land believed to contain valuable ores. That is the answer about number 2 concerning Big C. Answer the following question.